I come down today, Sunday, just give Shanika a bit of a wash down. She looked quite good. I mean, once I repainted this around now, maybe this year or next year, whenever, but it looks a lot cleaner than it was. I cleaned the spinnaker poles up as well. They were black, so I cleaned them up as well. That's all cleaned up. And the deck looks really good. How clean it was. Pretty good, isn't it? I took some pictures, I put them on this video. What it looked like before, it was black. But yeah, I'm happy, that looks really good. Just tie the top deck up now, put all the bits off the top deck. And make it look presentable again.